Large swaths of southern China have been hit by severe storms that have caused flooding in cities and landslides in the countryside as the first summer rains reached their peak. Streets turned into swollen rivers as cars and one-story houses were demolished in at least 2 counties in southwest China's Guizhou province. Precipitation in some areas was the heaviest in 60 years. Mudflows and road collapses have also been reported. Heavy rain will continue in Guizhou, Jiangxi, Anhui and Zhejiang provinces, as well as Guangxi until early next week, according to government weather forecasts on Sunday. In southern China, the weeks leading up to and following the Dragon Boat Festival in early June are traditionally marked by erratic and rainy weather as warm, humid air in the south collides with cooler air masses from the north. Early summer storms this year were more intense and longer than usual, with rainfall in Guangxi, Guangdong and Fujian the highest since 1961, according to local meteorological bureaus. Cold and warm air have converged over southern China, and both sides have reached a stalemate and are in a tug-of-war, said Wang Weiyue, an analyst with the division of the China Meteorological Administration. Subscribe to the channel. And we wish you good weather.